How to stream on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can stream on Facebook. Now streaming on Facebook is quite easy and simple. All you have to do is open a Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, as you can see on the screen, you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the first option that you'll find at the top. You can see what's on your mind. Tap on it, and here if you scroll down here under various options, you can see photo or video, tag people, filling or activity, check-in, live video, background color, camera, GIF and music. Now to stream, simply tap on live video option here and it'll ask you for camera access here. Simply grant access here and then you'll be able to go live once you set up your live stream. So this way you can go live on Facebook app. It's quite simple and easy. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.